Do you know why your ceiling fan lamp fixtures keep having various problems? Is there such a situation? Reveal it for you.
Hello, this is Helen from Geshen. We are going to introduce our light sources today. And look here, our light sources are passed the certifications. Look here, this is CE and CE and ERP, and also ETL. Look here, and look here. There will some light sources. Can look here the voltage, the 3 CCT from 3,000 and to 6,000, and also can do dimmable and not dimmable. And this is the diameter of this the light panel. Look here, this is 125. And this is 130, and this one is 116, and this one is 230. Look here, and we show the panels disclose this light panel. And look here, we adopt the annual mirror board. Here, it will be used for the heat dissipation, and this the important components are passed the certificated. Thus, you can have a confidence in our quality. Okay, this is our light sources have passed the ETL. Here.